No lines in strings. No lines in strings. We can use no line in strings whenever we need to use it. Let's see how. We first go to brackets and try this as example. Type print with the string signs and kinds of fruit: apple, banana, pear, peach. So if we try this on terminal right now, it will print only one line. As you see here, it's printed all the fruit together in one single line. But we need to make each kind of fruit in a new line. So to make each fruit in a new line, we have to do this. We should type backslash with the letter N, exactly like what you see in the screen here. We actually can put it whenever we want the new line to be. Then save the file and try it on terminal. Very nice. As you can see here, each kind of fruit became in a new line. Cool? Thanks for watching.